Hello, I am here with our very special international guest coming to the Women in the New World Symposium, all the way from Sweden, Scandinavia, Linda Neckmar. Hello, Linda.
Hello, Rebecca. Very nice to meet you today, and thanks a lot for bringing me to the event.
Oh, we are so excited to have you. So I'll just tell everyone a little bit about your background, Linda, because I think a lot of our Australian practitioners may not be familiar with who you are, and they'll be really excited to be making your acquaintance at our event and listening to the incredible wisdom that you've gathered over the course of your absolutely amazing career. So Linda, for all of you people who are not familiar with her, is the current Senior Vice President of Human Health at one of the world's biggest probiotic companies. So essentially that makes Linda one of the most powerful women in the space of microbiome research and science. I think that's a fair call, Linda. So Linda brings to our symposium not just a little bit of Scandinavian flavor, but she brings to us really the most kind of eye-wateringly impressive resume, where Linda has, as you know, as a mother, as a woman, as a business person, Linda has navigated the most dizzying heights of the health and research and business landscape, if you like. Linda, can you tell us a little bit about what you do in your role as Senior Vice President of Human Health and what that involves?
Happy to do so, Rebecca, and thanks for those kind words. So I feel very fortunate to be leading the largest probiotic company in the world. I joined Christian Hansen 2.5 years ago, and I'm leading a team of dedicated scientists, business people, probiotic nerds, which we love to call us.
Yeah, guilty.
Yes, so am I. And my daily life is a lot about leading the team, being there, meeting and interacting with the team, with our stakeholders within Christian Hansen, but also stakeholders around the world, the globe.
Yes, well, every time I see you on LinkedIn, you're in a different country. Travel is a huge part of what you do, isn't it?
It is, because we are truly global business. And when I say stakeholders around the world, that includes our customers, distributors, our peers in the industry. The global probiotic industry is still quite small, and we are in a growing business, so we can do a lot together and interact. So my daily life is a lot about meetings, interactions, and finding way of how to grow the business and how to shape our future in the probiotic industry. So I feel very blessed to have this kind of job and to be doing what I really have passion for.
And have you always been interested in probiotics? Where did your passion for microbiome science come from?
I've always been interested in health. So health and science have been there since my childhood. When I grew up, I thought about, what do I want to do? Do I want to be a medical doctor? Do I want to be a researcher? And in the end, I chose the research route. So I started my career doing research in pharmaceutical and biotech business. And I thought that was, what I was going to do my entire life. And well, life changed. And all of a sudden, I ended up doing business instead, sales and marketing on a global basis, but still in the healthcare industry. So I would say health has always been there. And that's the sort of the red line through my entire career. Yeah. Probiotics, I knew about probiotics because when I was in university, that was a couple of years ago, probiotics was new and it was just breaking the new ground, and we learned about it in school, and also microbiome, microbiology, biochemistry, immune technology were subjects that I was chosen to do in my major. So probiotics, I knew a little bit about it. I got to know it for real when I joined the probiotic industry back in 2011. And I will share this more in the symposium, but I was quite skeptical when I joined the healthcare and supplement industry because I came from pharma and I really wanted to make sure that this was clinically documented. And in the recruitment process, I asked, what about the clinical studies? And I was shown the clinical studies and I was convinced this is, true health science with clinically documented strains, and I was sold and I love it.
Yeah, you are speaking words straight to my heart, Linda, because that's also what I love about the work that we do at Activated Probiotics, that it brings together all the things that I previously have loved in my role in naturopathic medicine, you know, health and understanding people and working with the community, but it also brings that aspect of scientific evidence and clinical research and the highest quality proof, if you like, that what we're doing is actually going to have meaningful and measurable clinical outcomes. So I kind of see, you know, like you, I see that probiotics are this, you know, this kind of pinnacle of everything that I love, that we work towards coming together in under the one umbrella. So it's, you know, I absolutely understand where you're coming from. And you know, you're from Sweden, but you actually have a part of your educational history here in Australia, don't you? What did you study in Australia?
I did part of my master thesis in Australia. So I studied in Melbourne at La Trobe University, and that was a beautiful part of my education and my life, where you challenge yourself, you move away from your home, you meet new people, you meet a new culture, and still, 25 years later, I have friends that I feel like being my family in Australia, and so much looking forward to come back and finally meet them again after a number of years in lockdown and non-travel. So yes, Australia is very, very, very close to my heart, and I've been fortunate as well in my career to be able to go back to Australia and work with the healthcare industry in Australia, and that makes me really happy.
And we are very happy to have you. And you'll be talking to us about, I think the title of your presentation is Navigating Global Business Challenges While Keeping Balance and Passion in Life. And again, you are speaking straight to my heart there. Can you share a little bit about what inspired you to come up with this title and the contents of your presentation?
Well, passion. I really need passion for what I do. I think that's the key component. If I'm having fun when I work in my spare time, that gives me a lot of energy. And so passion is a key component of my entire life. And business challenges, working in global business is not easy. It's challenging, but it's also extremely rewarding. And over the years, being a global businesswoman, I've learned a lot. I've also seen a lot of challenges coming from different cultures. And I want to share with the audience that we have at the symposium some of the stories. Some of them were pretty hard when it happened, but you can smile and laugh afterwards, but you learn from them. So having the fortune of traveling the world, meeting different cultures, negotiating in different continents during the same month, it's a challenge, but it's also great fun. And I think sharing that story with the symposium delegates can actually give them a bit of, well, the sky is the limit. If you just try, you can actually do it.
And if you have passion, and if you have belief in what you're doing, and if, as you were saying, if the evidence is there, and you really are operating then at that beautiful intersection of your work and your passion coalescing to make something really meaningful to you and to the people you're working with.
Yes, absolutely. Because passion and fun and challenges and overcoming those challenges actually makes you achieve one step at a time in life, and that's super rewarding. I'm looking forward to your presentation so much. I can't tell you. Looking at the lineup of speakers we have, whose presentation are you looking forward to listening to? Oh, I want to hear them all.
Well, you will.
Yes, I will. No, I just think that you have created such a beautiful mix of people with medical education, people like myself working in business, people actively working with health from different parts of the arena, and that in combination with all the symposium delegates who will also bring their experience and their comments, their questions. I see it as a very interactive event, where we will all learn from each other. And that is what I'm looking forward the most, to meet people, to learn from others.
Yeah. And I have the privilege of knowing a lot of the delegates who have already bought their tickets and have very excitedly shared the details of their travel. And I can absolutely promise you that you will meet some like minds amongst the crowd who are attending. You will meet some of the most amazing, beautiful, talented, intelligent, thoughtful, gorgeous practitioners. And I can't wait to introduce you to them. And I'm so looking forward to seeing you in Hobart in October, Linda. Thank you so much for your time today.
Thanks a lot, Rebecca. And, you know, time flies. See you very, very soon and looking forward to it. I can't wait.
Me too. Thanks, Linda.